is Amma from Referrals Favor, we refer and of course your preferred. So guys, today I'm going to opening the package of Samsung 128GB memory card, which I bought it from Flipkart for just rupees around 1900, and it was bought on the Big Billion Days, which has happened in between 10 to 14th of October 2018, and actually the MRP price is around like 3000 earlier, but on the Big Billion Days, using the HDFC cashback offer, I got it for around 1800, that's all. And I personally recommend this because it supports the UHD recording, that is 4K recording. So it comes with class 3, UHS class 3, that is pretty good. So without any delay, let me open this package. Actually, I don't even require the knife, but let me open it. So I'm just opening it here. So guys, the initial I got, I have the Samsung and I got an adapter for it, and it was a Samsung original was written over here. That is good, and some paper manual and nothing else in the package, just bubble cover. So let me keep this apart and open this, and keep my knife also behind this, and let me check what all I get with the package. So it's around like 18-19, that's all. Even after getting the discount of EMI, it's 18-19 for me. And yeah guys, that's all. So this is a sticker, you can attach it. I don't know what kind of bill they provided to me. So it has been sold by Tech Connect Retail from Bangalore. So let me keep this apart. And so guys, this is the like UH class 10 and with UHS 3, which supports 4K Ultra HD recording. Basically, I'm thinking to use this for my MacBook PC, which is present here. It's just because like it's around 128GB, and I need it for like around to increase my storage under 2000. This is what the best preference, which I thought personally, which works as speed as the MacBook SSD. So yeah guys, that's all. So this is what the Samsung branding on the top we had, and we have the micro SD card like SDHC adapter on the right, and we have the 128GB powerful memory card present over here. And here we had the emblem, or it is like the Samsung original. I will be zooming this one so you can check it, the Samsung original. And it comes with micro SDHC UHS 1 card Evo Plus with SD adapter, faster speed with higher resolution photos and 4K UHD videos. So that's all. And on the back we had some magnetic proof, waterproof, x-ray proof, and even some other proof also. We had some sticker, ideal choice for smartphones, tablets, digital cameras, and UK 4HD action camera, so you can use it for GoPro even. So that is super fantastic. So 1GB equal to like 1 lakh bytes, and 10 lakh bytes, and yeah, and I'm thinking to check the MRP of it. So the MRP was written over here was around 4499, but yeah, we'll get it for like 1899, and imported by Samsung India Electronics, present in New Delhi, manufactured by, it was manufactured at Philippines, so it is an imported product. And it was written here class 10, like it was supports Android and everything. And yeah guys, so let me open this even and check what is present in it. So let me first keep this one. Actually, let me cut this one here. So I'll be cutting here exactly. So this is what the SDHC card which we'll get from inside. So let me remove it. So guys, this is what this, and we must get some box kind of stuff for this adapter, but yeah, we didn't get, but it's like you can open here. So let me open it. So this is the card, and this is a micro SDHC card adapter for that, so you can insert here and check it. And so guys, let me check the storage which is now available on the MacBook. So let us check this one. So let me keep all this aside and let me check the storage which is available for this small 128GB memory card. So guys, here you can check in my MacBook, it states that it has around 128.01 GB and 9 MB of it was utilized. So it contains around 128 GB of storage. That is pretty good. So this is what the UHD. So I want to make it as an to make it as a bootable device or boot camp to use it as an internal storage. So yeah guys, that's all. So this is what actually the SD card thing. And so yeah, so this is what the 128 GB, and let me describe this one also even. So yeah, we have 128 GB Evo Plus class 3 class 10, and on back we have just the recording stuff and some others, and Samsung SD card adapter for micro SD card, and this one. So this adapter is made in China, designed by Samsung. And yeah guys, that's all. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thanks guys, bye bye.